Oh, hi there. Great to see you through this short video. I'm very humbled to share my experience with the Landscape Ecology Working Party of IUFRO. I'm Jiquan Chen. I'm a professor at Michigan State University. I served as the master and co-chair during 1994 and 2005 with Dr. Tom Crow, and became the chair in 2005 until 2013, when Dr. Sandra Loki took over the leadership. Here, I use 5 slides to answer the 5 corresponding questions. First one, how would you summarize the past 30 years of the Working Party? The Working Party has evolved from a few people in the 1990s to a well-organized professional organization. Our earlier activities were mostly from a small handful of people, with our annual meetings supported by a few labs. Today, the Working Party is organized with the regional coordinators and deputies. It is well recognized by other professional organizations, such as EALI. And it is probably the most influential Working Party within the IUFRO. For example, our annual meetings have hundreds of participants and presentations. This is very different from the 1990s, when the only 3 to 4 labs and less than 20 local people were in the room. The second question is about my memories. Well, it is about the people and the friendship that will stay in my memory forever. As you can see from these historical photos, I enlarged my professional network, and more importantly, I established strong and lasting friendship in many countries. This is done not only through presentations at our meetings, but also through many social events, after meeting interactions, and joint actions for education and research. Being a member is simply fun and exciting. Next question is about the top 3 topics for landscape ecology by our members. Indeed, there are many topics that our members have promoted, yet I provide my view of the top 3 achievements. The first one is that we defined and developed many measures and tools on landscape structure, such as the GIDOs by Dr. Peter Vogt, who is a very active member of our party. Secondly, we provided rich evidence for managing resources at the landscape level. Lastly, we enforced the importance of spatial heterogeneity and a temporal change of the landscapes, as well as their dependency on scale. Next question is about the future. In my view, I think we moved away from patterns to processes. With increasing spatial data and technology advancement, landscape ecologists will have opportunities to focus on the processes at multiple scales. This will be a shift from pattern analysis within GIS and models that focus on the structure and or structural changes of landscapes. In another word, we will shift our efforts from what to so what and why. A particular movement will be on the material and energy cycles across landscapes. This shift will facilitate better connections and interactions with ecosystem ecologists. The last question is about the contributions of landscape ecology. To me, we broadened view of scientists, resource managers, and policymakers to larger spatial scale. Today, we no longer manage an ecosystem at a stand level. Instead, we pay particular attention to the complex formation and interactions of multiple ecosystems. This impact is evidence from our past products, such as published special issues and edited books. Thank you again, and wish the best for Landscape Ecology Working Party for her bright future.